Disc Golf Kitty Cats. We're going to be talking about welcome to Black Zombie TV. We are live and recording
live from Austin, Texas, where all the disc golf courses have opened up.
Yes, we got Austin, Texas opened up for disc golf. Aren't we happy about that?
Heck yeah, that was so much fun tearing those bags off those baskets. There's something about that I'll never forget.
You were like, it's like COVID Christmas at Davis Springs, huh?
It was me and a pair of scissors and some tape. Got to tape up a sign too, but yeah, just scissors and me cutting it up. And some of those bags in the top, they would like fall down inside, and from the rain, it had these pockets of this water. So I would actually have to pop the water to let it shoot out. So I had some video I was taking to show that water spewing out everywhere.
Cat.
Yep. All right, go bring them back inside. Thanks.
Bye, kitties.
Bye.
I need somebody to open the door.
All right.
It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna scratch.
He's got me. I got a cat on my back. All right, cute kitten videos. Well, this one stands my parrot.